Let's continue to explore the rest part of Jingdezhen, the ancient kilns and folk customs expo area. The expo lies in the downtown of the city, Jingdezhen. It is a ceramic-themed park. This 5A national park mainly demonstrates the Chinese intangible cultural heritage. There are two areas in this park. One part is the ancient ceramic kilns. Another part is folk ceramic customs expo. The expo area is a large landscape site. It's a living museum, including museums, workshop, and demonstration bases. There are two primary display areas. One is exhibition of historic kilns, and another one a display of local folk ceramics. Visitors can see ancient kilns in styles from the Song through the Qing dynasties, including revived ancient kilns and their teams of staff demonstrating how they were once used. They can also be able to see exquisite reproductions of Jingdezhen porcelains from the 15th and 16th centuries. Some of the buildings here date from the Ming and Qing dynasties, although some of them have been rebuilt. What can people see in the area of ancient kilns? There is a clear presentation of wood-firing kilns, such as Lion Kiln in the Qing dynasty, Tang Kiln of the Qing dynasty, Gourd Kiln of the Ming dynasty, Steamed Berry Kiln of the Yuan dynasty, Dragon Kiln of the Song dynasty. You will also have opportunity to tour the Temple of God of Kiln, Panyin Memorial, and Hongdian stores. What's more, there are a number of workshops in the scenic area where visitors can pay a small fee and get the opportunity to participate in ceramic production. This opportunity may help visitors better understand the culture of ceramics. What can people see in the exhibition area of ceramic folk customs? There are 12 historic buildings dating back to the Ming and Qing dynasties in this area. For example, Temple of Patriarch, Palace of Heavenly Queen, Gold Ceramic Workshop, Ceramic Table Corridor, Pavilion of Ceramic Musical Instruments, Musical Performances. Walking in the exhibition spot, people will feel as if being cut off from the outside world for ages. The ancient civilization and the modern civilization are in perfect harmony, which gets people to realize the profound ceramic culture. Wandering leisurely in the beautiful gardens is a great way of relaxation. The tourists can appreciate musical performances by musical instruments in the pavilion on the lake. Do you know how the ceramic instruments are made? In 1985, the ceramic music band successfully developed the new ethnic percussion by porcelain O, adopting ceramic plates as its main material. This set of ceramic musical instruments was exquisitely made by adopting top-quality clay and according to the requirement of musical instruments technology. Additionally, this invention has won China National Invention. Silver medal was granted by the Ministry of Culture. What does it sound? When it is played, it makes clear and sweet sound. It has a pure and beautiful sound, moderate range and volume. Let's enjoy a melody of the porcelain musical instruments.